Chirag Paswan and others are not trying to stop the BJP, who are trying to...
See, the BJP has no majority in the Lok Sabha. They are, बोलते ना, बैसाखियों पर ये गवर्नमेंट है. This government, Mr. Narendra Modi is a prime minister because he's relying on the crutches of Nitish Kumar, Chandrababu Naidu, Chirag Paswan and Jayant Chaudhary. If these four parties do not support this unconstitutional bill, then this bill will not become a law. But if they support BJP, I am cautioning and warning them that Muslims will never forgive them. You are supporting an unconstitutional bill which will destroy the Muslim Waqf Board forever, which will take away our masjids, dargahs, khanqahs, and which will be a violation of Article 14, Article 25, Article 26 and 29. Mr. Chandrababu Naidu wants to remove non-Hindu employees from Tirupati Devasthanam. Why is he allowing non-Muslims to be made a member of the Muslim Waqf Board? Why isn't Mr. Chandrababu Naidu realizing that if an encroacher is there on a Waqf property for 12 years, this government which he is supporting will make him the owner by implementing Limitation Act on them? The same act is not applied on Hindu Endowment Board, on the Sikh Gurdwara Prabandhan Committee. How is it that Mr. Chandrababu Naidu and Nitish Kumar and Chirag Paswan are allowing a collector to decide in his own case? That is violation of principles of natural justice. How is it that they are allowing the omission of evacuee Waqf properties? Lakhs of rupees of income comes from evacuee Waqf properties. The government wants to take it away. Every provision which is being made in this bill is unconstitutional. It is completely against the interest of the Waqf Board. It neither protects the Waqf Board, it neither removes the encroachers, neither it improves the revenue, and it is completely unconstitutional. If Chandrababu Naidu, Nitish Kumar, Chirag Paswan and Jayant Chaudhary supports this government in making this unconstitutional law, you be rest assured Muslims will never believe you. They will lose confidence in you forever.
Sir, under Kunal Kamra.
श्री ओवैसी बिहार चुनाव को लेकर के कांग्रेस की मदद में और आरजेडी की मदद में उतरे हैं और ऐसे लगता है जैसे उन्होंने इंडिया गठबंधन से सुपारी ली हो एनडीए गठबंधन को हराने की।
आदिवासी समाज के संघर्ष की कहानी।
बंजो ओनरे बंजा ओनरे आनरे ओनरे बंजा।
हमारी भी तमन्ना है कि तू डॉक्टर बन के हम सब गांव वालन की सेवा करे।
क्या तुम्हें
झारखंड के सभी सिनेमा घरों में 22 फरवरी से
चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए,
ये गांव हमारा, ये गली हमारी, ये कस्बा हमारा, ये काम हमारा।
जातिवाद को हमें घर घर में फैलाना है। आज के बाद इन जैसा कोई भी आया तो उसका यही अंजाम होगा।
It's not a question of good and bad. It's a question of win and defeat.
ये धरती हमारी।